Greetings, everyone. Hope everyone is doing okay today. Well, let's go over how I made my money today in 30 seconds. That's right, 30 seconds. Why? Simply because I was just paying attention to Roblox. Roblox obviously is the chart behind me, and as you can see, as soon as the market opened, the price just dropped. Right now, if you see this green line right behind me, right? Once the price goes below that green line, I get interested because that means the price had dropped maybe a bit too much and it might come back up. So I use that line. Well, I use the green line and that red line up there. The first 30 minutes when the market opens. After that, those lines are not, not the best tool. But like I said, the price had dropped. It had already dropped below that green line, and the volume at this point was starting to become healthy, let's say. So looking at that, looking at the RSI, which was below 30, I was like, yep, it's probably time to, make a trade or put in a trade. And that's exactly what I did. Now, I'm going to play the video. The video is going to be super fast because the video plays at twice the normal speed. And this trade took 30 seconds. So for you, it might be just 15 seconds. Here you go. Right about here, I got in. Boom. You see my brackets. I got in at 39.13. Second bar. Done. That's it for me. At this point, once I finish my video here with you guys, I am heading to the shooting range. So I'm meeting with my instructor. All right, so that's all I had for you guys. I already told you what I was looking at. Hopefully you guys made some money today. If not, don't get discouraged. Stay focused. And tomorrow we'll probably have a better chance to make money again. All right, people. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.